Actually, bring that. Can you not walk in these heels? I feel like
No.
you can't walk in heels. Maybe you should.
A while.
Maybe you should have kept the shoes back on.
Right.
Yeah, let's have that. Enough of that. Come right here, kind of about right there. Yeah. I like that pose. I'm gonna be right here. I'm gonna try to play with these shadows here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Kind of take a step into that light. You see that little light right there? And take a step. Up, it disappeared. You're fine. One, 2, 3. Look at me. 1, 2, 3. Love it. And 1, 2, and 3. Love it. Ooh. I do it again, I'm gonna get a little closer. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
It's just hot.
It is hot out.
Yeah.
Just like here, kind of doing this thing right here. Got my hand on my hip and I got this. Then I'm gonna turn you around to me because you're gonna be there. I'm gonna shoot back here. I'm gonna do it that way, okay?
The face expression.
You don't want to do my facial expressions. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Like it. Hang on.
Too much going on.
Yeah, he was just in the background. All right, here we go. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. Like that. Oh yeah, I like that pose. 1, 2. One, 2, and 3. Cross your legs at the bottom. Yeah, like that. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Coming in. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, and 3. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Bottom, I like your legs crossed. Yeah. Yeah, put your hand on the side. Yeah, just like that. Yep, just like that. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Over here working with this small space. 1, 2, 3. Good job. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Yes, sir. Doesn't bites the dust. Bam, bam. See, you have to change that background up. You know what I'm saying?
I like that background.
You have to change it up. Let's do those a couple more of those again. We'll get some horizontals right here. Yeah, there we go. 1, 2, 3. Now you made it in the video. I really hope you enjoyed that work that Belen and I just put in for you. Now, Belen, how did you enjoy this quick and hot shoot?
It was fun and hot.
It was very fun and hot. Let me tell y'all something about Belen, man. She sent me this whole entire different outfit. I'm gonna pop it on screen right now. And I was like, okay, cool. I gave a little thumbs up. She said she never heard back from me, which I never did text back, but I just hit her with the thumbs up in the DMs. And she just came out here with a whole and totally different outfit. What was your thoughts behind that?
It's more heat appropriate.
Okay, so you see there, you got the answer right there, guys. Now, of course, if you want to work with Belen, all stuff's going to be down in the description box below. Of course, it would have popped on the screen by now. And to the next video.
Yeah.
To the next video, guys. Peace.